The Yamaha R-N800A Network Receiver is designed for music lovers who want true hi-fi sound quality at home with modern streaming convenience. The link is in description, so visit there for the price details. What makes this receiver stand out is its authentic Yamaha sound engineering combined with advanced digital technology, giving you clear, powerful, and detailed audio whether you are streaming online music or playing high-resolution files. It features the ESS SABRE ES9080Q Ultra DAC, which helps deliver cleaner signals with excellent sound clarity and low distortion, so vocals sound natural and instruments feel more realistic. For users who care about room sound quality, the built-in YPAO room calibration system automatically adjusts audio settings to match your listening space, making music sound balanced and immersive without manual tuning. Vinyl lovers will appreciate the dedicated phono input, allowing you to connect your turntable and enjoy your record collection with rich and warm analog sound. The receiver also supports high-resolution formats including DSD and 384 kHz playback through its USB DAC function, which is ideal for audiophiles who want studio-level detail. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and network streaming capabilities, you can easily access your favorite music services or stream directly from your phone or computer. The solid construction and top-art mechanical structure help reduce vibration and maintain stable audio performance, which improves overall sound precision. Its clean front panel design and included remote control make it simple to operate, whether you are adjusting volume or switching inputs. Overall, the Yamaha R-N800A offers a strong balance of classic hi-fi performance and modern connectivity features, making it a smart choice for anyone upgrading their home audio system. To experience premium sound and explore current offers, make sure to visit the Amazon purchase link in the description and check the latest details.